Hello, I'm Styx. Let's play a game of sound effects. You have heard everything in the dictionary, now you'll hear what the sound effect is. Round 1, for the animals. Is it a cow, a bull, or a buffalo? The animal you heard is a buffalo, an American species of bison roamed in North America. Round 2, for the birds. Is it an eagle, a crow, or an owl? The bird you heard is an eagle, they're one of the many large birds of prey. Round 3, for the automobiles. Is it a car horn, a train horn, or a truck horn? That would be a train horn, which is extremely loud, used in diesel locomotives. Round 4, for the instruments. Is it a cymbal, or a triangle, or a gong? The one you heard is a gong, a flat, circular metal disc which is hit with a mallet. And round 5, telephone sounds. Is it a bell, or electronic, or only a mobile device? The one you heard is a bell, even though it is nostalgic. So, these are the various sounds you've actually heard of. One thing on a computer, it's an interactive game you are familiar to play. For example, my first incredible amazing dictionary, published by Dorling Kindersley in 1994. There uses various pictures and various sounds, the meaning, opposites and others can be found out. You can also find out spellings like spell it, guessing the picture like guess what, and identify the sounds like what's the noise. So, in this video you are familiar with the sound effects game. Like, comment, and subscribe now.